Hey everyone, Drew here, Trippin' T. I got an improvement for the day. So this is our hardware rack here, and each one of these bins that is empty should be in use. However, that's not always the case. See, what happens here is these labels will fall off, or we'll decide that we actually don't want to keep that anymore because we don't use it very often, or we'll add a new hardware, but because everything is sequential, you would then have to change everything after it all the way down. So it's a huge pain, and I have an idea on how we're gonna fix this. All right, we're gonna fix things starting over here on the computer. So this is the old sheet that we used to use. It has every single label on it on one massive sheet. And you can see here towards the end, as we started adding things, people didn't want to go through and shift everything all the way down. So things just started collecting on the bottom here. And we're gonna fix a few things. So first of all, we're gonna get rid of the number system, right? So 5/32 rivet flush mount is red because rivets are red. But instead of being position 1, it's just going to be red, and it goes in the red location for all hardware that are rivets. And we're gonna see just how that goes. We might try and find a way to make sure they stay in at least sequential order within their own cell, but we're gonna get rid of the numbers. That's gonna fix a lot of over processing every time we wanna update or add something. And then we highlighted the whole thing red. And we have a quick little instruction sheet over here. So whenever someone wants to fix it, they can just make one here. If they only need one, they can just make the one, and they can just hit print, highlight that cell and its selected cell, and just make the one. But if they want to make a bunch at a time, they can change all 5 and then print at a time, and that'll make it easier to keep that system looking nice and easier to update it when we need to. That's my improvement for the day. So the next step is going to be fixing everything here, fixing the labels that are missing, replacing any labels that look bad, and then also just kind of getting the system back in order. There's a lot of things that don't really have a good home, so people just kind of put them wherever, so we're going to fix that as well. The next improvement after that might be adding some kind of clear SOP with a QR code to just quickly get you to that sheet. You can quickly make an edit, print out a new one, and laminate it so you can get that label fixed and get back to improving and working on the line. There we go.